Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to talk to you about a super powerful, super magical practice that could help you wake up the next day totally different, in a totally different mood, and it could help you immediately to start manifesting what you want to manifest, to start getting rid of all the negative energies that are absorbed in your chakras, to help you become the manifestation magnet that you want to become. But before I start telling you what the method is, I want to tell you this could expedite your manifestation journey. If you are, for example, saving up money for a down payment to buy a house within the next 2 years, and you're trying to expedite that manifestation, you're trying to expedite that goal, you could do it. You could do it with your mindset. You could do it with all the practices that we help you achieve here. But it doesn't really help you achieve it the next day because you need time. Every manifestation needs a specific time frame. So do the practices, and remember, manifestation has to be a lifestyle for you. Once you start manifestation practices, it has to be there all the time. If you start doing it now tonight and then the next day you say, oh, you know what, I didn't get all my dreams right today happening for me, then I don't want to do it anymore, that's not manifestation. This practice is going to help you align your energies in a super powerful ways. And when I say you could manifest the next day, I mean you could manifest your daily life. The next day you wake up, you're going to feel like a manifestation magnet. You're going to feel lucky. You're going to get so many signs from the universe. You have to be aware to see the signs, to recognize the signs. You're going to get so many signs from the universe that shows you the universe has your back. It's going to show you that you're being looked at. Your energies are aligned. So before you go to bed, this method has 2 steps. You need to bring a journal with yourself to your bed. So you need a notebook, you need a pen, and you just need to sit there, relax on your bed. Every night you want to do this and see the magic for yourself the next day. Before you go to sleep, you want to close your eyes first to cleanse your third eye energy. Every negative event, every negative energy and low vibe energy that happened throughout the day has been stored in your third eye. So to cleanse the energies of your third eye, you're going to start tapping using your left hand on your third eye. You're going to start tapping and rubbing your third eye before you go to bed. You're sitting in your bed. You start tapping and rubbing your third eye very gently as you have your eyes closed, and then you're going to set your intention, dear universe, I'm cleansing my third eye to get rid of all the heavy energies throughout the day. Help me cleanse my third eye. And then after you set your intention, you're going to start pulling away all the negative energy and throwing it out. Whether you want it or not, energies are around your body. Your third eye is here and is doing its job. This action is going to get all the negative energies and heavy energies out of your third eye and away from you. After you're done with this, you're going to close your eyes and imagine a vibe of bright white light or gold light or purple light. Depends on what you want to imagine. It depends on what comes to your mind. Imagine a vibe of light coming your way, going into your third eye. Just bring it into your third eye. Imagine the light going into your third eye and just let it cleanse you. Let it go inside your body. The light is going to make a difference, believe me. After you do this, you could feel it within you. So after you're done cleansing your third eye chakra, you want to take your journal and start writing inside the journal a letter to the universe. You want to write as if you're writing a letter to a human being, as if you're writing a letter to Santa. A human being who has a powerful energy that can help you achieve your dream life. You're writing a letter to the universe. You can start with, hi, my beautiful universe. I'm writing you this letter to let you know that I am ready to achieve all my dreams. I'm ready to receive miracles in my life. Just keep writing all the things that you want to write and say to the universe. You want to get rid of the negative things in your life. You have a really hard, difficult relationship. You want to have an easier relationship. You are having financial problems. You want to have financial freedom. You're going to ask the universe that you want to have all the things that you want to have. First, you're going to go very general and you're going to touch every area of your life that you want to fix. After you're done with that, you're going to keep going with the letter and you want to ask the universe to help you have an amazing next day when you wake up. So you're going to say, Dear Universe, I'm ready to have an amazing day tomorrow. I'm ready, for example, to get all my tasks done without any pressure, without any stress, smoothly and easily. I'm ready to get my meeting done in the best possible way. I'm ready to clean my home and take care of my children and cook food for my family with the happiest vibes and happiest energies. Give the best positive energies tomorrow to me and my family. Ask for the best next day. So after you're done writing your letter to the universe, do not forget the most important part is for you to sign and date the letter. And when you wake up in the morning, you're going to look at your journal. You're going to talk to the universe. You're going to open your eyes, greet the day, say, I'm glad to be living another day in this planet. Thank you for giving me another chance to live this day. And thank you for helping me live this day as happy, as perfect as possible. And I'm so excited to experience this day with your energy in my life. You're going to say that to the universe as if you're talking to a human. Universe can hear you. Universe is a mirror. You talk to the universe, you're going to get it back. So say all the good things that you want to say to the universe in the morning when you wake up. You write it the night before. You wake up in the morning. You greet the day into your life. You say thank you for giving you another chance to live this beautiful day. And then you're going to say thank you for the universe having your back. And every single day you're going to do this. You're going to feel the shift in your life. You're going to feel the best quality of sleep, first of all, when you do this practice. And when you wake up, you're going to feel the shift in your life. It's going to help you a lot, believe me. I have manifested so many things in my daily life with this practice and many other practices, of course. But all I can tell you is that this practice can change your life. Not only this is the super powerful practice that we have, there are so many other practices that I have. Watch the videos from previous weeks. Just go to my channel, watch all the videos because they're going to help you align your energy perfectly. If you combine all the knowledge that you learn in this channel, it's going to help you big time to become a manifestation magnet that you want to become. And let's be honest here, everyone wants to live their dream lives in this planet. Everyone. They want to be a manifestation magnet. Every single human wants to have the ability to achieve all that they want to achieve. And we do all have that ability. We just need to learn how to become self-aware, how to use that power, how to align our powers to the energies of the universe. It's very simple and easy, but we need this step-by-step guidance to learn how to do it. If you want to learn my step-by-step guidance, which is super magical and so many people have been changing their lives ever since I started doing this. It has been published all over the world in Yahoo News and Business Insiders and in many other publications because people have seen the magic of it. If you want to see what it is that I do step by step, and if you want to join my tribe, I created an online portal that helps people. They join there. It's a lifetime membership. People join there forever for the rest of their life, and it's not a monthly payment or anything like that, and they're always there. I help them. It's not just an online course. It's a place where I help people achieve their dream life. I become their lifetime coach to help them become the manifestation magnet of their life. And it has worked every single time. It is 100% guaranteed that it works every single time for every human who ever tried it. So if you do want to learn the hundreds and thousand methods that I use in my life every single day to become the manifestation magnet that I am today, to manifest my relationship, my financial freedom, my baby, my belly right now, my life, every single thing, my happiness, my health, everything that I have. If you want to learn how to manifest those for yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description below this video that is called DIY Your Happy Life online course. As I said, it's not just an online course. It's a place where I become your full-time forever coach and I help you achieve whatever that you want to achieve. So if you want to check it out, don't forget to check it out in the description. There is also a free webinar for you. This one is free. You could watch the webinar. It shows you another trick that could help you change your mood from low to high immediately whenever you feel low mood throughout the day. That's going to be a big help for you. So you could check out that webinar. The link is in the description. It's going to tell you a lot about my manifestation tricks that are 100% guaranteed and it works every single time. So you could check out the free webinar and you could check out the link for the course in the description below this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I love to have you there. This is my Instagram ID. Don't forget to follow me there. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And you could also get notified if you press that bell button. You could get notified about my weekly videos, which helps you achieve your dream life easier and faster while you're having fun. And if you like this video, press that like button too and share it with your friends and your loved ones, because it's going to create a good karma for you and it's a good thing. Take care. Have an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. And I will see you soon next week on the next video. Good luck with this magical practice that you just learned. Goodbye.